Crack Academy, everyone. So now we are going to start with English today. And in English, I'm going to take all the grammar topics, your parts of speech, tenses, and everything. Plus, I'm going to take your comprehension passage and RC. Why I'm saying comprehension passage and RC differently? Because in comprehension passage, I'll try to take the passages that you have done it in your school in the senior classes. Plus, I'm going to take your previous year questions. Plus, I'll try to take maximum number of questions from one passage. So, I'm going to take your comprehension passages, reading comprehension, your grammar, and everything that is essential for your exam. So, today I am going to start with my first topic, that is nouns. So, what are nouns? Nouns are basically called, in layman language, if I want to say, it is also called naming words. What they are called? They are called naming words. So everything, for example, here in this area, if I want to say my name is a noun. I'm not getting into what type of noun it is, but it is a noun. For example, table, this board, where we are staying, Delhi, or for example, India. All these are called nouns. So, when you were kids, you might have played one game that is called name, place, thing, animal, right? So all these are nouns. For example, my name Ekta, I am taking the alphabet E, right? Place, I want to write England. England is also a noun. Then I want to write egg. Then I want to write eagle. So all these are nouns. All these are nouns. So the name, place, thing, animal, everything around us is a noun. Alright, let's move forward. Why it is essential to understand grammar is, why it is essential? Because until unless you have a strong grammar, you won't be able to write. It helps you. In English, we are going to talk about, let me just tell you, LSRW. What is that? What is LSRW? L is for listening, S is for speaking, R is for reading, and W is for writing. This is listening, this is speaking, this is reading, and this is writing. So for all these four elements, all four components are very essential for your thing. But for this, you need grammar, right? You need basic grammar. If your basics are not clear, you won't be able to understand the things. And then why it is essential? After this, you need to focus on few things, that is reading. I hope every day you are reading your newspaper. That is very important. Plus, after reading, you should enhance your vocabulary. Most important thing. If your vocabulary is good, you will be able to understand the things in a more better manner, and then you reach to the point where your writing skills are very good, right? So increasing your vocabulary is very important, right? Let's move forward. So nouns refer to person, animal, place, thing, ideas, or events, etc. Nouns encompass most of the words of a language. Nouns can be a or an, a name of a person. Yes, like I told you, my name. For an animal, it can be dog, cat. So any animal would be also a noun. Then we have a place, we have a thing. Then we have idea. It is intangible, but still it is a noun. It's idea. When we'll understand the types of nouns, I will explain you what it is called. I would request you to please write this. This is all these are, this is tangible and this is intangible. You cannot touch it, but you need to feel it. Right? So please write it down. Make notes. Why I am saying making notes is important, so that once you revise your things, you should understand why we are writing this, why we are doing this, and what is the purpose of it. So you should make notes. Making notes will help you to revise the things in a more better manner. Please do write this.